very delicious cakes. We both of us, we really like the simple cake. These are the natural carrots, and this is like a mud actually. So these are decorated with the walnuts, and it's all the natural products, nothing artificial in it. And yeah, so this is the cake for the midnight celebration for Sudeep's birthday. I have kept a chopping board below because it's quite colorful, and you can see this is a carrot cake. And I have baked this carrot cake with all my love for my husband's birthday. It's a very delicious cake, no preservatives in it. Celebrate the carrot cake. Oh no. This is a homemade carrot cake. We all love the natural flavors. So come Sudeep. he only is taking the video. I have told him that. So come Sudeep. Let's cut your midnight birthday cake. Happy also we come.
ऐसे ना अपन midnight cake cutting करते हैं अपन happy गिफ्टच्या सुदीपचं midnight cake baking हाँ carrot cake specially for Sudeep. Okay. So it's a candle with it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sudeep. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
हाँ की
जामची चीज पाहिजे ना नको
कसं घालायचे त्याचा? हा? खरं खरं सांगू देस नको हा? Please, good. बाबा विश केलास तू सूपला? हो? करतो ना विश तो
अरे हापूसची भेटते बरी पडते हाय हाय हॅपी बर्थडे
कसं आपण कसं करतो त्याला हॅपी बर्थडे हॅपी बर्थडे
पिंटूचे पण पप्पी घ्या हो
चला tomorrow our friends will come and then we'll celebrate this birthday. Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Memories channel. Today it's my husband Sudeep's 34th birthday and today it is Sunday. Today it is 22nd August and every year we celebrate his birthday ekdam dhudam se, dham se. So we are very excited. I'm very excited to celebrate his birthday. And though it is today Sunday, but we'll be little busy. I will be little busy with some other work. So we have planned some party. And I've called a few of my friends home for the dinner. So I'll be cooking some special thing. And yesterday night, the celebration started in the midnight. We cut the cake in the midnight. Actually at 12 o'clock, I had made this orange cake and. चला आपण गिफ्ट देऊया ना सुदीपला आणलेलं आपण दोघांनी मिळून. चल, दिस इज गिफ्ट फ्रॉम मी अँड हॅपी. बसतोय का? काय म्हणालास? So in the afternoon itself, I had cooked this biryani, and actually morning we had this cake which I had baked in the night. So the birthday celebration started with a morning cake and coffee. Actually, I had decided to make shira, but it was not possible because there is lot of cake actually. That's why. And then night itself I had marinated the chicken and everything. So afternoon I just cooked the biryani, chicken dum biryani. Actually this is my mother's recipe, my grandmother's recipe, and in our family every any occasion, any special occasion, there is biryani is prepared. So chicken dum biryani or mutton biryani or any biryanis. So in my family it's like the special is chicken biryani. So yeah, so biryani is like the familial tradition of any special occasion, and cake also. But biryani is the main thing, not just the familial tradition, but also from my hometown in Miraj. Like anything special, like any anniversary, birthday, or anything, some nice things have happened. So that is like a marriage or baptism or anything, any celebration. It is the biryani. So today I have cooked the biryani. We had our lunch, and yeah, I'll share you that lunch pic also. And then evening I've called my friends, our friends home. So for them I'm going to have marinated this chicken boti and aloo boti. This is a very special Bombay dish, and it's very spicy and tangy, juicy, and chatpata chicken and potato wala grilled one. Actually it's not grilled, but it's a technique actually. But so yeah, that I've prepared. So please tell me in the comment section which is your familial traditional dish on any occasion, which dish you prepare for any occasion or any celebrations. So yeah, I have baked also another cake. It is called as mualo au citron. So that is a lemon cake. A lemon cake is on the special request of Sudeep because he wanted to eat something lemon cake. So I have tried my best to make this a lemon flavor. Let's see how it is. And evening we are going to cut it with our friends, and yeah, I'm excited about this evening party. So me and Sudeep, we both like the home food, and even in the cake we like the simple cake. Okay, simple, like how our grandmothers used to cook those traditional cakes which don't have icing. So basically we both don't like lot of sugary and icing or any additive or any coloring things on our cakes. We like the simple cake. So yeah, just the simple flavor cakes we like, and not any icing. We don't at all like the icing, we both of us. So yeah, that is what the natural cakes we like. And I have tried my level best to make this lemon cake, and you know, it's the fresh lemon zesty and fresh, very nice smell it is. So it smells really good, and I hope it is delicious. So I decided to wear this Indian wear. You can see the earrings, bindi and everything, and even the suit, because we don't get a chance here to wear our Indian clothes for, you know, like regular basis. So if any occasion is there, I just grab my Indian clothes and I'm happy with it actually. It just gives that another festive wala feeling. So yeah, today we are very excited for this birthday. Today it is 34th birthday. So yeah, we'll celebrate it, and I'm thankful to the Lord, and wishing him all the blessings and wishes whatever he needs. So even with the starting of the day, even at 12 o'clock in the night, and throughout the day today we prayed for his birthday. thanking Lord for giving him this day and blessing him, in fact, with everything he has, and thankful and grateful for whatever God has blessed us with. सुदीपचा बर्थडे कसा होता हॅपी? सुदीपचा बर्थडे कसा होता? हा, कसा होता सुदीपचा बर्थडे? काय काय गिफ्ट दिलं आपण त्याला? हा, आणि तू भरपूर चिकन खाल्लंयस. बाबू आणि मम्मी, बाबू आणि टाय घातलाय मम्मानी. हा, टाय टाय घातलाय. आणि मम्मी कशी म्हणते, कशी म्हणते सुदीपचा बर्थडे आपण कसं सेलिब्रेट केला? कसं केला सेलिब्रेट? काय काय खाल्लास तू? काय काय हॅपीचा सुदीपचा बर्थडे होता, तू काय दिलास गिफ्ट बाबू त्याला? हा, आपले काय काय गिफ्ट आहेत, आवडले का? टाय घालून नुसतं बसलाय, हा, झोपा काढतोय. आपण काय दिलं गिफ्ट त्याला? कसं आपण दोघ जण गेलेलो गिफ्ट घ्यायला?
तू सांगितलं नाही गिफ्ट घ्यायला गेलेला तो.
बघ की, आम्ही 1 महिना आधी we got me and Happy, we went 1 month before to get the shirt and he had come with me. तू झोपू नकोस मला चिटकून. हा, ढमू, ए ढमू, चला फिरायला जाऊया आता. आता सगळेजण फिरायला
जायचं आता फिरायला. आता थोडस कुठं
फिरायला जाऊया, माऊकडे जाऊया.
फिरायला जाऊया. हा,
माऊकडे जाणार आहे आम्ही आता सगळे. हा, माऊकडे जाऊया.
मंदिराकडे येणार तू? मंदिराकडे
So we have finished our lunch, in fact, and doing this time pass now. Not time pass, we are spending this time. We had lot of biryani. He also had lot of इसीलिए इसको नींद आ रही है. त्याचा बर्थडे आहे हा पपी. बर्थडेचं विशिंग वगैरे काय आहे की नाही हा. हाकू पण टाय घातली आणि रेडी आहे ना. कौशली तर नाही आली. तिथे आली. तिथे आली का. तिथे शुमोना आले नाही. आले नाही अजून. कुठं गेले. हा जेवण तयार आहे म्हणा. No, it's okay.
Come in.
Sorry, our home is little complicated.
No worry.
येतोय ना विसरे. सुरी व्यवस्थित.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Suri. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday.
First happy. हाँ तो खाता I hope it is okay and you like it. It is gato citro. It's good.
It's really good.
So soft.
And not too much sweet. And not like
Yeah, it is not natural sweet. The color also, if you
It's not
see,
at all sweet.
sweet, exactly.
actually,
And you
if you
can smell the lemon.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because if you see the color, it is I put turmeric
Turmeric, oh, okay.
so that I will give the piece to everybody now or after the food we have.
I think after the food.
After
I will
food,
take
better.
नाही तर आता एक घेऊ.
आता एक एक बाईट घ्या.
बरं ठीक आहे ना.
After the food.
हा मस्त डेझर्ट पण होणार.
चकना पण आहे म्हणून.
चकना पण आहे ना हे. थोडं आहे ना.
Is it okay? It's good.
Really good.
It is gato citron. Usually I will prepare this orange flavor in the home just for snacks. But he was adamant he wants lemon. नंतर हे करू का. बाद में I will cut it.
I think.
मग मी इथून हे जरासं I will होय त्याच्यासाठी. इसमें विस्की जाएगा. I will give you one digestive that will resolve all your problems.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
अरे वो अल्कोहल पियो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. This is gift from Paushali and Titya. Paushali and Shivam. ते बंद कर बरं. मला Sudeep, how was yesterday's orange cake?
It was good. It was good. I liked it. As I wanted, I got it.
What do you?
I citron cake. That
So Sudeep, how was the yesterday midnight celebration?
it was good. I liked the cake you baked, and it was surprise.
And did you like mine and Happy's gift?
Yes, I liked that gift.
Actually,
It was
I
a jeans
gifted.
shirt.
Yeah, actually, I gifted him the jeans shirt, and he said, "Oh, it's a jeans like that," because he don't like jeans. But I think he looks smart in the jeans, and he should wear jeans. So yeah,
It was a
hopefully
nice shirt.
he'll wear it sometime, and I'll show you the picture. Yeah. So we are very thankful to our mothers. So my mother, Sudeep's mother, I, for their prayers and blessings, for wishing us, our family members, Pratik, Priyanka, Maushi, Sudeep's mummy, our friends, our close friends, and everybody, all our well-wishers, for blessing us and sending Sudeep lots of their blessings and wishes. तुम भी कुछ बोलोगे या मुझे सुनो बोलना
thank
पड़ेगा?
you. Also, I got the gifts. Yeah, so I got the lot of gifts. Shivana and Paushali, they gifted me 2 good wine bottles. That was nice also. So
Shivam.
Thank you. Yeah, so sorry. Thank you, Shivam and Paushali. And Shivana and Ben, they gifted me one nice mug and the chocolate. So thank you, Ben and Shivana as well. Thanks a lot for your wishes. And thanks a lot for coming for the party. So yeah, thank you once again. I'm grateful. I'm blessed to have a wife like Dipti.
ये तो जबरदस्ती हो गया बोलना.
Yeah, so Dipti, she organized this party. She cooked nice food, biryani and
मेरी
gochka.
तारीफ हो रही है क्या?
So it was nice. I liked it.
Yeah, actually he was telling no, don't call anybody, but no, I like to call my friends and spend this, celebrate this time. You have born on this day, so of course you should spend this with your family and your friends. Of course we miss our family back in India, but for the present moment we are here, so we should enjoy here now. Of course their wishes and their blessings and prayers are always with us. Especially I want to thank Mummy and I for sending all their blessings to us.
Thank you.
So until next time, take care of your health. God bless you all. Stay positive, stay wow, and hope you loved this celebration of our Sudeep's birthday party. And please share with your family and friends and celebrate life. And until next time, keep making lots and lots of beautiful memories. Beautiful memories.
Bye-bye.
Happy. Bye bye. Take care. Arua.
Bye-bye.
Until next time, keep making lots of beautiful memories.